So you just got your brand new irta2, or you've had one and now you've updated to the new iPad with the USB-C. You no longer have a lightning connector. How do you connect to the device in order for it to work the way it did previously with your lightning connector, or this is your first time? On today's show, we're going to show you the different cables that work and some that don't work. If you're upgrading to the new USB-C iPad from the lightning, you still have this connector here, which is the aux jack to lightning adapter. Don't throw it away. Don't get rid of it. You actually can still use it for your USB-C. One of the advantages of doing that is that the DAC is built into the chip here at the end, and Apple uses an exceptional digital analog converter that is perfectly flat on its output as opposed to some that you're going to see later. That means that you can buy an inexpensive lightning to USB-C adapter, attach the two like this, plug into the unit, wait for the switch over, and there you go. You have a nice flat response. You can have all the fun that you want using your IRTA and know that you're going to look great. If this is your first time using your irta2 and of course your first iPad, you're going to want to pick up the Apple USB-C to aux jack, this little guy right here. It looks a lot like this, but the ends are different. Lightning USB-C. This is the caveat. These, unlike the lightning version of them, are not as reliable, meaning they don't always work out of the box. Plugging this one in, and we wait for the switch over. And well, nothing happens. That's because this is bad. This is a brand new cable, and out of the box, it was dead. This one, on the other hand, is a functioning cable. Plug it in, wait for the switch over, and you get a perfectly flat signal across the bottom here. We know those two solutions will give us the perfect output so that we can then go forward, because you want to make sure you have a flat response, whether it's a higher output or a lower output. It doesn't matter. You just want to make sure you have a flat response coming into your iPad. Now how you get that is you just play pink noise into it, which we're playing off of our phone here, and then you can check your cable. Now here are a couple other cables that we picked up while we were doing our testing. This is just a aux to USB-C, and inside of this is the DAC. Plug it in. As you can see, we just lost all high frequency response on this cable. It works. This is not good. If you're using this with your headphones and you're like, hey, why do my headphones not sound so bright? And there you go. This is another cable we picked up, and when we plug this cable in, you saw it tried to do the switch over and it didn't. It's not working. Then we found these cables, which were buy one get one free basically. I don't even know what this is, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to test your car with it. We also gave these a try. This is just a little lightning to USB-C adapter. Plugs in like this, and we get no response. It doesn't trip the microphone input to let us know that it's connected. You can use this cable for charge, but that's about it. And there you have it, guys. Two solutions to get your irta2 into your new USB-C iPad. I'll put links in the description below to the two cables that we recommend for you to use and that we know will give you a good result. Thank you for watching as always. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you later next time. Bye.